Welcome to the fourth video of the Masterclass. In this video, we look at something very interesting. Just look at this Shorts channel. It has over 35 million views, posting these simple short videos about Stoicism that were probably created in just a few minutes. Hey, but what is Stoicism? Stoicism is an ancient Greek and ancient Roman philosophy, which encourages people to put aside passions and strong emotions in favor of a simple life. So in this video, we'll discover how to leverage this new niche and create a passive income stream for us. First, we need a viral idea. We'll use Google Gemini for this. Simply write the following. Give me 10 short video titles with a number, strong verb and keyword related to a common problem in 2024, framed around a core Stoic principle, philosophy's approach. I'll choose this topic here. Okay, now we can create the script. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT and write this prompt. You are a short video creator for YouTube, with over 50 million views on your channel about Stoicism and personal development for men. Write to me a viral script for a short 1-minute video about 5 Stoic habits to conquer fear of missing out. Make this script straight to the point and as less generic as possible. By doing this, ChatGPT will have more context to create a good script. It is also given visual information, but we don't need that, so we'll ask it to remove it. Now let's move forward to actual video creation. We'll use Fliki for this. To start a new video, click on the New File button. A pop-up will appear where you need to provide project details. Select Video as the file type, enter your file name, and choose the language and accent for your video. Since we're making a YouTube short, set the aspect ratio to portrait. For the Start With option, choose Script, and hit Submit. Next, paste your customized script, breaking it into smaller paragraphs to create more scenes. In the content settings, choose AI Media and select the cinematic style. For more, turn on sound effects to make your video more engaging. Then hit Submit to generate the video. First, let's change the voice. To change the voice, select a scene and click on the voice's name. Since this is a Stoic short, we need a heavy voice. I picked Bruce, just listen to it.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Apply this voice to all scenes by clicking Apply to all scenes. To change any scene visually, click on the media icon and select from a vast library of royalty-free videos and images. If you want to generate new media, go to the Generate tab, select the media type and style, and enter a text prompt, or simply click Auto Generate, and your new clip will be ready. Once your video is ready, preview it. You can download it or customize it further if needed. Next, let's customize the captions. Shorts usually have word-by-word captions, so we'll change the display to Word. Let's also resize it a bit and tweak the colors. After editing is complete, click on the Apply to All Scenes option so it copies the same settings to all the scenes. The background music is already on point. Their AI seems to do a really good job with it. However, if you want, you can also change it from the common scene on the top. Now, let's finally download the video. Choose the video resolution and format, then hit the Export and Start button. Fliki will render the video, and you can download it to your device. Here's the final video.
Are you tired of feeling like you're missing out? Here are 5 Stoic habits to conquer that fear and live a fulfilling life. Practice mindfulness. Embrace the present moment. FOMO thrives on what you think you're missing, not what you have. Daily journaling. Reflect on your thoughts and actions. Writing down your experiences helps you realize what truly matters to you. Solitude. Spend time alone. Disconnect from the noise and connect with your inner self. Serve others, engage in acts of kindness. Shifting your focus from what you lack to what you can give combats FOMO effectively. Read Stoic texts. Dive into the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. Their teachings will guide you towards contentment and resilience. Adopt these habits and watch your fear of missing out transform into a sense of inner peace. Subscribe for more tips on Stoicism and personal growth.
Wow, that looks amazing! We made a great Stoic short video, quickly and efficiently using AI tools. Now it's your turn. Start creating and launching your own Stoic Shorts channel. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below.